Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to link text on Discord or how to send hyperlink in Discord. So first of all, go to the server and go to the channel, and here's all you have to need to make a text link. Just follow this format. Inside of third bracket, write a text that you want to make clickable. So as you can see, here's I added a link and here's a text. I want to make this text clickable. Now I'm going to sending this text, and as you can see, this text is a hyperlink now, and the full link has been hidden, but here we can see the link has been embedded. And if you want to make a text clickable and you don't want to embed the link, in order to do it, you have to follow this format. Make sure to add here this sign before and after your link. Then send the text, and here we can see the text is a hyperlink and the link isn't embedded. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.